The Delhi police on Friday recovered over 2,000 live cartridges days ahead of Independence Day celebrations. 6 people, including owner of a gun house, were arrested, the police said. Prime facie, the accused appeared to be a part of a criminal network, but a terror angle hasn't been ruled out yet. The police said the final destination of the rounds was Lucknow and Jaunpur. Ammunition was sourced from a licensed gun house in Dehradun. The owner of the gun house would write fake vouchers regarding sale of ammunition to other gun houses, but would sell at a premium to gangsters. One handler, Saddam, was arrested from Jaunpur, while the gun house owner, Parikshit Negi, has also been arrested. The couriers of ammunition were identified as Rashid and Ajmal, they added. The police further informed that efforts are on to find the main accused, and also suspected is the involvement of an individual currently incarcerated in Meerut. Security has been beefed up all across the national capital to prevent any untoward incident on or before the 75th Independence Day celebrations in Delhi. In fact, in a first-of-its-kind security outreach to prevent stray kites from falling inside Red Fort during the Prime Minister's address to the nation and the flag-hoisting ceremony, the police have sought the cooperation of 231 regular kite flyers from the World City area to ensure a clear sky for about 3 hours that morning.